No, I think it's a really good initiative. It's the first time we are doing a Mr. India. There is a Mr. World contest that happens worldwide, and it's from the same pageant, from the Miss World, Miss India. From all those pageants comes the Mr. World pageant as well, and now we've joined with them, and for the first time, I think we're going to be sending the winner, who's going off to London, I think in 2 weeks, to go and contest. So good luck. It's basically judged more on the physicality, on your fitness and on your strength. And jokingly, I would put it, we're looking for a James Bond. So who's also suave, witty, classy, and can just speak on the spur of the moment. I think the boys did a wonderful job, all of them, and Pratik stood out from all of them. And what's really nice about him is not only is he very, very fit, the winner, he's got the beard, he's very unconventional and very different. So he could have kind of stood out from everybody on that level, and he looked very humble. He answered really well. It was a very difficult question he got about if he thought that his woman should be a virgin or not, and I think he really spoke well about that. It's not easy to do those kind of things. These are young boys, they've hardly got any training, and I'm sure now they're in good hands with the Times Group. And well, this is not about being a model, this is more about a contest. I've never taken part in a contest ever in my life, like a male contest, so I don't know, but a lot of models have come from winning male contests, different events, and that's a different lot of people, so these guys are young boys, they've come there, they've got an opportunity, they've taken it, and Pratik's off to London, and we should wish him all the best.
I think the guy who won, number 11, Pratik Jain, me and Ellie, we both thought that he was really good from the first time we saw him, because he's very unique, he looks very different, and somehow he came across as somebody hardworking and honest, and we made the right decision. He gave the really good answer as well. It has changed definitely, because till now we had all these pageants only for women, and since we have it for men, and we have somebody representing our country in the male pageant, which is very different and new. And I congratulate Times of India Group for this, that they have taken this initiative to put up a contest like this, where male models not only just walk the ramp in our country, but they represent our country abroad as well.
First of all, I mean, the looks has to be there, but as I said before the show, I mean, the person has to be intelligent also, because otherwise the looks will just like fade away if that factor is not there. And I feel that the winner, Pratik Jain, right?
Pratik Jain, yes.
Yes, the kind of answer he gave was just amazing, and after that I just felt that yes, he's the one, he's the winner.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.